Number 4, رابعا ركعتي الوضوء. To pray 2 rak'ah after wudu. I want to clarify this one. If you take wudu before Fard Salah, you are preparing yourself for the Fard Salah. It is Sunnah to pray 2 rak'ah of wudu. If you take wudu after starting of the Fard Salah, there is Sunnah mu'akkada you pray. So Tahiyatul wudu is going to be intention only, not practical. So for example, Dhuhr Salah, after Adhan, you are taking wudu. There's 4 Sunnah mu'akkada. You are praying 4 Sunnah mu'akkada, make your intention, the wudu you done it. It includes. Fajr Salah. Some people, after Fajr starting, they have wudu and they pray 2 Sunnah wudu, 2 Sunnah Tahiyatul Masjid, and 2 Sunnah Fajr. That's not Sunnah. That's not allowed. After starting of the Fajr Adhan, you are praying 2 Sunnah Fajr. Make your intention, any other Sunnah you didn't pray to include in there. But if you have your wudu before starting of the Fajr, yeah, it is Sunnah to pray 2 rak'ahs wudu, and you come to the masjid and pray 2 rak'ahs at the masjid and sit and wait the Fajr Adhan. But if you arrive to the masjid after Fajr Adhan started, you are not praying Tahiyatul Masjid. You are praying Sunnah of the Farad, yeah, and you can make your intention including Tahiyatul Masjid. I think that's very clear. ركعتي الوضوء. الترمذي said عن أبي بريدة قال أصبح رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. He woke up in one morning فدعا بلالا. He called Bilal. فقال يا بلال بما سبقتني إلى الجنة. Yeah. What you have done that you precede me in the paradise. I have seen, yeah, you before me in the paradise. دخلت البارحة الجنة. Last night I entered the paradise. فسمعت خشخشتك أمامي. I hear it, your footsteps before me. There's another part of the hadith which says also, you have seen the castle. There was a young girl in front of the castle. He asked him who this belongs to. They say Umar ibn Khattab, and he said he ran away. He knows Umar will be jealous. Yeah. We see that hadith inshallah. So how Bilal goes before the Prophet ﷺ in the paradise. صحيح مسلم عن أنس بن مالك رضي الله عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم آتي باب الجنة يوم القيامة. On Judgment Day, when all people are in the mahshar, in the gathering place, and they have been commanded to go through the sirat of the hellfire to a place called Qandara. A place called Al-Qandara. Qandara is a space, end of the sirat, and between the end of the sirat and the gate of the paradise. All people are coming, whoever have lucky to pass the sirat and didn't fall to the hellfire. They are coming on that stage. That stage is have 2 advantages. Number 1, we are waiting the Prophet ﷺ to come and open the gate for us. Number 2, to clean the hearts of the people. Because you should not feel any sad or misery in the paradise. Okay, someone killed you. You got his rewards on the mahshar. And Allah forgave him. He came and he entered the paradise. If you see tomorrow in the paradise, are you going to be happy? No, that's the person who killed me, who killed me. So he living and cleaning the hearts of the people. After that, when mahshar finished, no one else left in there. The Prophet ﷺ coming all the way to the Qandara. You go to the gate of the paradise. He's knocking the gate of the paradise. No one else before him. No one else before him. So he said, Ati Bab al Jannati Yawm al Qiyamah. On Judgment Day, the gates of the paradise are closed. So I'm coming. Yeah. فَأَسْتَفْتِحُ. I'm requesting to be opened for me. It's not automatically. There's gates. The gate, there's guards looking after it. فَيَقُولُ خَازِنُ مَنْ أَنْتَ. The keeper of the gate will ask me, who are you? فَأَقُولُ مُحَمَّدٌ أَنَا مُحَمَّد. Yeah. Some people will say, who are you? You say, it's me, it's me. That's not a prophet. Dislike that answer. When someone asks you, who are you? Who is it? Say your name. It's not, it's me, it's me. You don't understand? You don't recognize my voice? You don't, la, 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 la. That doesn't work. Yeah. Prophet ﷺ was at home and Jabir knocked. And Prophet said, who is it? He said, it's me. Prophet said, it's me, it's me. That means he didn't like that answer. So you say the answer, yeah, your name. فأقول محمد فيقول, he said, بك أمرت. I have been commanded, yeah, to open for you. No one else. لا أفتح أحدا قبلك. No one else before me, for you. So that means the Prophet ﷺ is the first one who is enters the paradise. And this hadith telling us Bilal was in front of the Prophet ﷺ. How we can combine the two hadiths? قال ابن حجر لأن رؤيا الأنبياء وحي. So Prophet ﷺ saw Bilal in front of him. That was in dream. And that dream means, yeah, Bilal done something which he earned a lot of rewards. ولذلك جزم النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم لذلك ومشوا بين أيديهم, because Bilal was walking in front of the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم. In the lifetime, he used to walk in front of the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم. You have seen our leaders, our presidents, our kings, whatever you call them, when they are walking, there's no one in front of them. Everyone following them. The Prophet ﷺ, who is following him, are angels. So the commanders, they go in front of him, or right or left, and leave behind for the angels to follow him. So Bilal used to walk in front of the Prophet ﷺ in the life. So in the dream, Prophet said, I've seen same Bilal still walking in front of him. But that doesn't mean Bilal enters the paradise before the Prophet.